if you want big impact, you got to solve big, important, existing business problems. More than ever, it is essential today that we make it clear to all decision makers all the value for the company or for the organization you're in that any given business, any given sustainability initiative will make. So the video here is really about unfolding how you can get more traction on your effort on sustainability. My name is Jasper Steinhausen, and this is Outside Perspective. And as usual, I give you perspectives on issues in the intersection between sustainability and business. And today, simply filming this in my garden, because that's also a place where I sometimes go to just seek inspiration and connect. So, sustainability is under a lot of pressure in many places. Business is hard for many, and in some parts of the world, everything related to ESG is now a political issue, which again makes some companies shy away or at least be more careful about what they do. Some just tone down how much they talk about it, and others are actually reducing their initiatives altogether. And I can tell you that is not a winning formula, not by any stretch, not from a business perspective, and most certainly not from a planetary and perspective of all of us and our future generations. So let's avoid that happening by making it super clear what type of business value all the initiatives can generate. So some of you will have heard me talk about this before, perhaps even many times. Many of you might have seen videos, you've seen me speak live on this, or perhaps you've read my book, the best-selling book, Making Sustainability Profitable, and from there have heard my perspective. So you might be wondering, why a video again on this right now? Well, I just spent 3 days in Tuscany at the summer event of Terrace, and met there with 80 other leaders in sustainability from across the globe, some from major brands and others from smaller or even startups, but altogether a bunch of super experienced people that have, together have, combined how many years of experience here, but many people there were just like me, been in this game for more or less all their life. So one of the things that really stood out to me here is that it's become evident for these people that it is so important to translate and to make sure that all the decision makers needed to be involved, they get why this would be beneficial. And it's that translation part that is so essential. So in order to make any sort of momentum, it's essential for you out there listening to this thinking, I want to create more impact or speed up the momentum, that you become really clear on what the business value is. Because most of the business leaders today are not ready to commit to something just, and you might think, why not? But just because it makes the world a better place. It has to generate value for it. And the good thing is, and you probably know this, but the good thing is that there is tons of value you can generate through sustainability. So the biggest trick here is mainly to start flashing that out and making it super clear, so you don't fall in the trap of leaving it to the decision makers around you to translate and to be able to see what type of value it generates. So how can you do this? Well, I would say really a simple approach to this is start by writing down what is the top priorities of the organization you're in right now, and likewise for the ideal customers. And then start looking at that through your perspective of sustainability. You could ask questions like, how could we solve this problem in a way that will also be beneficial for the world? Or what is the resource flow related to the problem? Or how does our product fit in with the type of problem we're facing? And what could we do to make it better? And the reason why what you come up with might be different is that you have a different perspective. So as a sustainability professional in some form, whatever it is you are doing, you will have a different perspective. And that is basically page 1 in any innovation textbook. It is, you need a different perspective. And that's why the solutions you will see and come up with, the ideas you get, They will be valuable and they will be different than most of the others. So I will urge you to throw in all the skills you have at the core business problems that you already have, and then flash out to tell people what is it really at stake here, what is it really you can win. So I hope you would like this. I hope you will bring it to effort and put it into work, because I can tell you it works wonders. I've seen it many times, and I hope and trust that you will get the same experience too. So please like this video, and if you know anybody who you feel like is struggling to get enough impact, please share this video with them, because it will help them a lot. See you in another video.